Well, hey there, y'all. So, out here, fixing to get the Bronco Pro going. Get my little lighter going to haul out the little wax cubes there. Turn that back off. And we'll get our good old charcoal chimney on that and going. So, I'll get that going. I'll tell you what we're doing when we get back inside. So, see you in a second. So you saw I got the good old Bronco Pro fired up and getting it going. So get my coals ready to go and cook some good old chicken today. It's gonna be moonshine chicken. So if y'all seen my trip that I did to the mountains with the family, I got this moonshine barbecue sauce. It's kind of intriguing to me, and I tried it out and I enjoyed it. So I'm gonna do it on some good old chicken wings. With my chicken wings, I just got them cut off the little tips, and then I seasoned them up with the Uncle Steve shake, Lucky shake, then put them in the fridge so they can kind of sit overnight, dry brine, kind of marinate in that. So that's all I'm gonna do to them seasoning wise, and then when they're about done, I'm gonna throw on that moonshine barbecue sauce to give them the flavor and see how it does and tastes. And also, in the Bronco Pro, I'm going to be running my smoke tube that Fried Jimmy gave to me. It's awesome. It works great. I enjoy it. And I'll show y'all how I light it off and get it going. I'm using the pellets that he gave me too. Thank you again for them, because they're great. They're Gourmet Blend, the Bear Mountain. They're really good. They're smooth and not overpowering. You can tell they're pronounced there, but they're not like overpowering on the smoke flavor. They're really like a smooth, kind of savory, sweet smoke. So they're good pellets. So, but yeah, I'll get on out, get this going on up, because show you how to do it, and it's not too hard. But I'll show you how to do it, and then we'll get the chicken on, and we'll go from there. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Alrighty, y'all. So with this smoke tube, I'll just get it, fill my blow torch to it, get it lit off. Once it's lit off good, I'll just let this sit and burn for 10 minutes. Then after that 10 minutes, I'll get it, blow it out, flip it out on its side vertically, and then we'll go from there to let it smoke. So I'm gonna get this going, and I'll see y'all back in a second. Alrighty, y'all. So get this thing blown out. Lay over on the side there. Let it chill and go, and then I'll get the wings on and we'll go. Alrighty, y'all, got my smoker going and they're running. Got both vents all the way open right now to get it kind of ready to go and get the smoke cleaned up good. With the smoke tube, like I said, I just filled it up with the pellets, lit it off, let it go for those 10 minutes, then you blow it out and lay it on its side vertically, and that way you can get the good old smoke going from it. So got my chicken wings here, there, you can see them. So they're seasoned up like again, like I said, with the Lucky shake. So we'll get them on out there on the smoker and let it get to running. I'll probably try to stay around 275, 300 to smoke them, and we'll go from there. So probably won't take too long for them, and then we'll go with the good old moonshine barbecue sauce to glaze on them. So let's get on out there. Let's get these things on there and it goes. So now it's just gonna wait and have to be in misery having to wait for them. So let these go and I'll see y'all back. 15 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my sauce on there so it can be warming up. Here's what they look like. Looking good. Smoke tubes are going good, so I'm gonna go this right there so we can get the smoke and warm on up. So let these keep on going and we'll go from there. Oh yeah, and I went ahead and flipped them around too. Did a quick little turnover on them. So I'm gonna go another 15 minutes, check them, see what my temp is, and we'll go from there. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alrighty, y'all, I'll give these a quick little check, see what the temperatures are doing in them. So what they're looking like. Looking good. So let me get you set up. Quick little check on that one. There we go. Y'all can see that. That's 187. So that's real good. So get these sauced up a little bit, and then we'll get them flipped over and sauce up the other side. Alrighty, y'all, got them sauced up there. They look really good, smells good. So I'm gonna shut it down, let it run about 10 minutes so that can tack up on them. So I'll see y'all back when I'm probably chewing on them. So see y'all. Alrighty, y'all, got them done here. They look good, smell good. I'll throw a quick little clip of what they look like up close. They look good. It's smelling good. So again, with these, I was trying out the good old Moonshine BBQ that I got in the mountains there. So, and when I tried it out in the mountains, I did like it. It tasted like a old barbecue sauce me and my dad used to make, but we didn't put moonshine in ours, so I don't know how they tasted similar. But it's got a sweet, savory, and then a little tang to it. So I guess maybe it's the moonshine, but it don't taste like alcohol-y or whatever. So I did like it, and then it has kind of a nice oniony garlic bite to it too. So that taste. So I'll grab, I guess, that one right there. And it's still pretty warm. So we'll try it out, see how it is. Tear that open. Eat on that. Still toasty. It's good on them wings. I think it got a little sweeter cooking, so I guess the sugar kind of concentrated a little bit. So it did get a little sweeter, a little spice to it, but not hot. Yeah, a little spice, but not hot. That's good. Real good on there. So sweet, a little spicy, nice onion and garlic flavor coming through. And then that smoke tube did the trick, man. That smoke is like smooth and mellow, sweet, not overpowering. Those Bear Mountain pellets are good. And that smoke tube does great. Thank you again, Fried Jimmy. That thing's awesome. Got it all over me. Lucky Shake that I put on from Uncle Steve's is good. It's nice all around, all-purpose seasoning. Kind of more peppered forward, so it's got a little bit of spice to it, but it's spicy. It's nice. It's not like overly hot or anything. But that one's got a nice little char and stuff on it. You can see. Love a wing. Good stuff. I say, if you ever do see that, the Moonshine barbecue sauce somewhere, it was in the mountains. It was, let's see, All Sauced Up was the store, was where we got it. So in Gatlinburg. If you see that one, I say pick it up because it's sweet and savory, nice strong kind of onion kind of flavor to it, which I enjoy. So I got a nice plate of wings here to shout out on, which I'm going to. So it's good. And then with my Bronco Pro, I ran a B&B briquette charcoal, got it lit off and going. I left both my vent pipes open and stayed around about 275 the whole cook, and it took about 45 minutes to get these done. So Not a long cook, but good cook for sure, because it's wings and they're always good. I'm gonna chow on down. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all like, share, and subscribe if you want to, if you haven't already. And when you do, you're welcomed on into the Head to Tail family. We'll love you and welcome on in. So thank y'all again, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.